Hi all, today we are going to see about the introduction of TQM. So TQM is an abbreviation form of Total Quality Management. A T stands for total, which means a complete, and Q stands for quality. It is an excellence of product or a process which will meet the expectations of the customer. And the M is in management. It is an art of getting the things done. So it is a part of an management also. Next, we are going to discuss about the main definition of total quality management. Total quality management is an effective system for continuous improvement of an organization or an institution or a manufacturing industry. So it focusing on mainly three things. One is quality development, second one is quality maintenance, and third one is quality improvement efforts, which will help the organization to continuously improve in various sectors of an industry, organization or institution to fulfill the customers. Next, we are going to discuss about the history of TQM. As we all know that many of the scientists have involved or have their contribution towards the TQM. So it is in first of all in 1924, W.A. Shewhart shows this statistical chart for the controls of various and concept of sample test. After that, in 1946, they have developed a ASQC, which is an American Society for a Quality Control for the continuous improvement of the process or a product quality. Next, in 1950, Edward Demings has transformed the quality concepts in an organization, and the main contribution of Demings is PDCA cycle, that is plan, do, check and act. And in 1954, Joseph M. Juran developed a concept of efficient and productive. And he also introduced the trilogy quality planning system, quality control and quality improvement. And in 1960, quality control circles were formed, which the main objective of quality control circle is zero defect concepts. In 1970, they have developed a reactive approach to a proactive approach. In 2000, finally, the Six Sigma concept was developed. Next, so we are going to discuss about the basic concepts of TQM. The first concept is management involvement. So what is the main objective of including this management involvement in TQM is, if we are proposing any rules, or if you are proposing any idea or innovative idea, it should be approved by the management, which should be implemented in an organization. Next, we have a focus on customers. Not only the process or product, but we should mostly focus on the customers. So customers are the king of the market. And the third one is involvement and utilization of entire workforce. So it is an how the manpower and how the manpower was utilized in the organization or institution should also be included for the concepts of TQM. And the fourth one is continuous improvement. If there is any improvement in the organization or institution, it should be a continuous, and it should not be dropped off. And the fifth one is treating suppliers as partners. So in while applying the TQM, even from the bottom workers to the top management, everyone plays a major role in continuous improvement of the organization or institution or industry. So everyone should be treated as a partners. And the last one is performance measures. So after including all the above concepts, and we have to measure what is the main performance of the individuals towards the continuous improvement by applying this TQM. And the next one, so we are going to discuss about the 5 main pillars of TQM. Main pillars of TQM, first one is product, second one is process, third one is system, fourth one is people, and fifth one is leadership. The next one is, what are the main barriers involved in implementation of TQM is, first one, lack of commitment from the top management, as I said, and it is a predominant role of the management which should be help for the continuous improvement of the organization, institution, or a industry. If there is any lack between the management and the workforce, it will be a problem when TQM was implementing. The next one is lack of employee involvement. So even though the management has committed towards the improvement or proposing any idea towards the product or process, the employee should work on this without any hesitation, and they have to work with the full involvement to come out with very good product or process. The third one is lack of teamwork. Each and every sector of the institution or organization or an industry should combinedly work towards the main focus of the organization, which will help the achieve the vision and mission of the organization. So if there is any lack of teamwork or lack of communication between the team, everything will be collapsed. The next fourth one is lack of customer oriented approach. As I said before, the customers are the king of the market or the society. So they are the only deciders who are in the position to make a brand or to make an advertisement or to make a very good approach towards the product or services which was provided by the institution or organization or manufacturing industry. The last one is lack of attention towards the feedback and complaints which was done by the customers. Even though we have done everything, if we are not focusing on the feedbacks given by the customers, it will be a very, very big problem when it is compared, when it is in the very competitive market. And the last one is supplier control. We should treat, as I said before, we are treating everyone as a partner, and even though we should control the supplier, we should control the supplier of a raw material towards the organization. The last one is review quality procedures. So review each and every process or a products involved in the organization or a manufacturing industry while we are approaching the continuous improvement in an organization. So what are the main benefits of TQM? The first one is higher profitability. Second one is improved employee morale. Third one is removal of defects and waste, improved customer focus and satisfaction. These are the main important key points while applying the TQM in an organization. Finally, the quality. When a quality is defined as when a product or services meets or exceeds the expectation of the customer, when the product or services provided by the market, provided by the organization, institution, or a manufacturing industry. So what are the main 8 dimensions of quality? Is performance, how the process or services works in the hands of a customer. Then reliability, durability, serviceability, aesthetics, features, perceived quality, and conformance of standards. So what does it mean by performance? It's a fulfillment of primary requirements by the customers. The features is the additional things that enhance the performance of a product or a process. Conformance means meeting the specific standards set by the industry. The fourth one is reliability, consistent performance over a period of time by the process or a product. Next one is durability, long life and less maintenance. Serviceability, a product should be ease of repair, guarantee and warranty. And the next one is response. Dealer customer relationship and human interface should be more frequent, and it should be more easy. And the The next one is aesthetics. Aesthetics means how it was appears, how it was maintaining a good relationship between the customer and the management people, or the marketing people of the process or in the services. The last one is reputation. Past performance, ranking, branding, status of the brands, status of the company, everything will be included in this 8 dimensions of quality. Thank you. We will see you in the next class.